amabofo menkuni nkugu da maka samatra o man na yesunsumu da na ye benada ahonhom ni nsu e wo ha wo Kenya ase makwa mobofo amabofo the greater Zuka odenya mesunsu meko mabe wiase abehye nkom se me se medie betimi ama MPP afa ise mi sunsu mi obi na ene ye benada akase aka 4 days ni atoaba se ye benada de a ese me ba mi sunsu mu ho na me be botwene na me se sunsu mu de ede ma Dr. Aladdomia ni MPP ene napo na aya na me yase ye ne aye wo bibi ni ebetim di aboa no o ma dwen ma yeso normal me ka se meye ede ama party no na o ma bo mo modern na so de me pese meye no o ma me kwai ma menye na so ma hwefo nti ene free education for nti sunsum se menko na menye ma famu de emfa sunsum ta Dr. Aladdomia na 7 no de ahonhom ni nsuo ti na ye benada me di sunsum on so mako atade we me sha na on moja akikem we mako atade ahun se me sha na tese bofo eno na nyame ya adom afiada sunsum se omo odome na me ma omudi machi nyina no ye to nantwie ekunu di ama me sunsum ne honhom a wasantemam ni wiase ne Ghana se omuni Dr. Aladdomia na 7 no ensuo ni ahonhom to aba emfama no nti we me fa na opese wo papa me di ma akon no mu a e kan so wa betimi ato na ntwie na obeboa biaboa na efiada yentwa aboa no yentwa nam se ye de yete no ma se me yesunsum nyuma nti ye ne eye benada yi na ensuo ni ahonhom a wa ha nyina no e wo kwabere ne dooso kwabere ne ye wodom kwabere the whole Ghana ye to aba kwabere fo ne dooso saa na asofo e wo Ghana kwabere ne wo nipa kwabere ne wo bibia nti ene amobofo oni the greater Zuka ni ma honhom ne me bofo nyina me be fremo e de makosunsum ani momwa me na momwa Dr. Aladdomia pa sunsumpa tumipa me framo metie me ana ye benado me srem paye sre sunsum sre tumi sre ufo sre nsuo sre honhom 7 December Matuaba no ama Dr. Aladdomia Dr. Aladdomia Dr. Aladdomia Dr. Aladdomia Dr. Aladdomia amabofo the greater Zuka sunsuma menemonam amansi eja tabruwa mansi sunsum kese me wakun ba besre eda memeneda oni me sunsum ene ma honhom ba besre o ama Dr. Aladdomia ba besre ama Dr. Aladdomia ba besre o ama Dr. Aladdomia Baba Sro, I'm a Dr. Lad Baumia. Baba Sro, I'm a MPP. Santiman Sunsumei, Ghana Mine Sunsumei, Yati Sunsumei, Ahon pay, to me pay, and we are pay. 7 December, 7 December, Miss Ram Kunubie, Miss Ram Paja, Masunsum Kasa, one is one to one or so about 20 years. I don't know. Ya 2 years ago, Sunsum by Yadum, to me by Yaduma, home by Yadum, Sunsum by Yadum, to me by Yaduma, Sunsum by Yadum, home by Yaduma. To me by Edma, home by Edma, Susun by Edma, home by Edma, Susun by Edma, home by Edma, Susun by Edma. Framo, 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 Framo. Framo, 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 I'm above way. Azuka above way. Then I'm above way. Jata blue above way. I'm above way. Azuka above way. Jata blue above way. I'm above way. Jata blue above way. I don't know. Munyamojuma. 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 I'm over for the great Azuka. Akwa mijina kono. Asam kom. Omantie me. The na me free say me here bebo omantie. Na so me hwe me mba. Eni bimbio. Rolo hite. Kimbibi babio. Zundu bibia. Adano. Adano. Mamensa. Wait, what's a good time? Wait, a soon suma there. Joel chapter 1 verse 9. Joel chapter 1 verse 9. Joel chapter 1 verse 9. Or say yama kabeche aduane ni na yenye nepa. Yama kabeche aduane ni na yenye nepa. Sunsum kase kira wonsa. Enaye benada suabra sisa ajadu. Nsu a atwa kwabere ehia. Friends who are santimam subin tano ofen wosontwe wosompram nyan kuru bia kwa oda amanse premle munyina oni atane atabofo sunsun kese ene eyemodo tinuma shama kwata de be mamoduane adi. Joel chapter 1 verse 9. Ose ya makabeche nti me masunsuma aduane adi aba abesle ama Dr. Lad Baumia ene MPP government. Ada memene do eya me do na ye to aba no eni ani da so sunsum wako a mabehye nkom ama mani ngu ase ma sunsum pa no ahohom pa ma conflict meni nkuguo da tina me ye okofo no ena mikuta me nsambro ni snap etutu ede mamu eda memene da mo sunsum ya kese mame Joel chapter 1 verse 9. Joel chapter 1 verse 9. Ose ya maka bichi aduane ni. Ti me ma honhom aduane, me ma sunsum aduane. Se da eye memene da no. Amobofo. Amo sunsum e. Manse ja taburu amanse sunsum kese. Amanse premre. Nyina amadi aduane. Me se mum mmoa nsuo, mbotan ufuo. Emum moment buo mponso nkoto abadema Dr. Lad Baumia se ne enti a amobofo akasa amosunsum ahye uma ne mrem na se bibia wi a memfa musunsum mase da ni ahonhom a mene makasa ne tumi a mene makasa nyina munso mame na se bibia wi na Dr. Lad Baumia wi ni a memfa mase da ni munso mame ise mu yesunsum me da mase se mama modiane mami do no mongu so we nyina yesunsum adoma chede da bia me kasa spiritualities no obia ne de onyame de ama no amobofo de mi ye unyini ya obekasa abosom semnya bosom obia ne adoma chede onyame de ama no Joel chapter 1 verse 9 Numbers 28 verse 7 Jitum se bibi wo wiase abrabo eyesunsu masre e de ama Dr. Lad Baumia na ye benada unti sunsu ase ajajimi no abrabo eyesunsu me kachem se November ma ye noma bekuta wo na ye wura December mekuta mu dia koduru 7 ene eye 3 mi gina ha na ye benada se me ba na mbebo mi do no gu o muso se ne da no ahonhom be sori akobo ame Edamase edafiada betwa na ntwe fitaa de moja agufom e de amam se da memene da no nhwe mo ho animonyam na menyim edamase.
A very big hello to all our lovely TapTapSend customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason TapTapSend is there, and you will know that right now you are not able to use TapTapSend to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product which we TapTapSend launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say though that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say though is, just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions, we are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build TapTapSend to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build TapTapSend. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
TapTapSend. Papa no no.